First of all, good morning to all my new students with a new class of Plus Commerce. As you have started and you have chosen your stream, and business study is one of the main core subject of your commerce stream. So we are today going to start the new topic or a chapter for your the subject, and the topic name is the nature and the purpose of the business. So the nature and the purpose of the business. What is the nature of the business and what is the purpose for it? If we start from the scratch, you know that every human being is related with some activity. When we just get up in the morning, every human being has to perform the activity in a whole day. So if we just classify our activity, there are some activity which are which are related to earning the money, and there are some activity which are not related to earning of the money. So there are some activities which like we are just spending the time with our parents or our children, or we are just attending the party. So it is actually not related to the money or earning of the money. And but everyone also have some activity which is related to earning of the money. Each and every person is actually bound to perform those activity which is actually causing the earning of the money. So it is also very much required for each and every person, just because of earning of the money for themselves and for their families, because the money is actually the lifeblood. You have to do everything with the money. So that's why the activity which is related to the money and the activity, we can divide two kind of activity. One is related to the earning of the money, and one is related to not earning of the money. So one activity which is related to the money is called the economic activities, and the activity which is not related to the money, but even then you have to be performed, those are non-economic activities. So with the help of these two bases, we are divided the type of human activity into the two. That is the economic activities, and second is the non-economic activity. So it means the type of human activity is basically divided into the two, that is economical activity and non-economical activity. So what is economical activity? As I have tell you that each and every person has to perform the economic activity to just to earn for his or her bread and butter. So we can say that it is related to the production, exchange and distribution of the goods and services. We can say that the economic activities are those activities which is actually related to the production, the exchange and the distribution of the goods and services. Also, it is expectation of the money income which is used for the further creation of the wealth or assets. So economic activity are not only earning of money, but also it means that further creation of the wealth in the future, and further creation of the wealth or as well as the assets. So it means assets mean the properties which you are going to be used to earn more further. So basic all the economic activity, we have basically the three kind of economic activities. What are those? Those are, first is the business, second one is the profession, and third is the employment. So if you say that all the economic activity or any of the kind is actually lying in these three, either it is somebody is related to the business, or somebody may be related to any profession, or the employees. It means these are the basic three economical activity in which anybody, if you ask to any person, is lying under these three activity for earning of the wealth, earning of the money, or earning of the the wealth and assets. So these are basically the three activity of the economic activities. So what are those? First is the business, second one is profession, or third one is the your employment. It means either a man is engaged in the business, or in the profession, or if he is not engaged with these two, he must be engaged with the employment. So this is basically, it is the three dimension in which everybody is related. Either he must be the businessman, or somewhere some people are engaged in the professional activities. Okay, there are some people who are working under somebody. So these are all the economic activity, and these are the activity which actually help you to earn the profit and the livelihood. If we talk about the business is an activity where it means that if you have a particular kind of a business, you are the owner, you have your own business, you are actually investing the money in that, and you are controlling, you are managing all the things by your own. If we talk about the profession, so profession means it is actually you require a particular kind of knowledge to attain, go in that profession. Just like profession is related to just like doctors, teachers, engineers, lawyers. These all are the professional persons who are not who are not become just to choose them that I want to be. For that they have to also acquire a degree of that, acquire the knowledge of that profession, a particular profession, because a profession has a set of proper code of conduct that you have to be followed. If you want to become a doctor, you have to pursue the doctorate. It means you have to pursue the MBBS degree. If you want to become a lawyer, you have to go through for the proper LLB course. If you want to become a teacher, you have to be trained as a teacher, for you have to go and sit for the B.Ed exam. So there are actually a particular set of the qualification or a code of conduct you have to follow for the profession. If we talk about the employment means when a person is working under some person. The person who is working is called the employees, and the person whom the person is, under which person he is working is called the employer. So in the employment there is two person, one who is giving the job, that is the employer, or the person who is working under the employer is called employee. So if we talk about here related to money, whatever you are having in the form of money is called the profit. When there is a business is done to get the profit. The outcome which is related to the money is called the profit. So always the business is, the person is doing the business for earning more and more profit. So whatever is coming in the monetary form is called the profit. Here if we talk about the profession, whatever you are earning as in a form of the money, it is called the fees. You are serving the society, being as a lawyer, you are serving the society, being as doctor. So here the fees is charged by the professional persons. Here it means that if we are engaged in the employment, so there is an employer and employee, and whatever it is coming as in a monetary form, whatever the services you are giving to your employer, and also he is giving the money as in a remuneration or as in a compensation of your work, is called the salary. So it means all salary person come into the employment section. So these are the basic three economical activity. If we are just doing it the type of the human activity. So first I have explained you what is the economical activity, and after economical activity is which is related to the money, which is actually related to your earning of the bread and butter for the increase of the wealth or the assets, and these are business, then the profession, and then the employment. Also, if we now switch to the non-economic activity, it means what are the non-economic activity? Non-economic activity are the activity which is not the economical activity, which is not related to your money, which is not related to the earning of the bread and butter, which is not related to the increase of the further wealth or assets. So economical activity are those activities which we are perform for our psychological satisfaction. It's not like from the start of the day we just running for just earning of the money from the morning to the night, from the from the morning to the late night. We are just doing the activity which is related to money. Also, the mind requires the psychological satisfaction, and that can be done by talking to your parents, or giving time to your children, or just taking or attending some party, birthday party, going to the temple. These all are causes the giving you the psychological satisfaction or a mental peace for the human being. So those activities which is not just the earning of money, but those activity exist, you are doing it in a whole day, that is the non-economical activity. What are these? The activity which are undertook to motivate the motive of getting the psychological satisfaction are known as the non-economical activity. So what are the example? It is, for example, is going to the temple. It means doing the charity, social services you are doing, the production of the self-consumption. If you are doing some farming work, and it is only for the self-consumption, there is two ways of. If a person is performing some activity, it is not for monetary purpose, then it will be non-economic activity. But the same work, if he is doing for some economical purpose of the monetary purpose, then it will be the economical activity. For example, if a farmer is growing crop for the self-consumption, it will be non-economical activity, because it is for his own family, his own bread and butter. It means he is not going to take the crop and the things to the market. He is just doing for the self-consumption. It will be the non-economical activity. But if the person who is growing the crops and just selling it into the market, then it will be the economical activity. So for the same is, if a teacher is teaching in the class, it means he is doing the economical activity, because he is appointed as a teacher. But at the same thing, if he is doing and teaching to his children, it means it is a non-economical activity. So also the end result of non-economical activity is not earning profit or creation of wealth, but gives satisfaction. So with the help of it, you can understand that the things which are not related to the earning of money is in a non-economical activity. What kind of activities are come to the non-economical? It may be the religious activity, the relation, the parental, or the social. Whatever you are doing for as a social work, you are just because a human being is a social animal. He is to be in the society. So there are so many activities which is not sake of the money, but he has to perform for his loved ones, for his friends, for his family. So those activities which is related to the parental or social or some religious kind of, like you are going to the temple, you are sitting there for your mental satisfaction. It is an activity, but it is not the economical activity, but the non-economical activity. So we can say that basically there are three activities which is non-economical, that is the religion or religious, parental, or the social activity. Here also in the economical activity we have the three main dimensions, that is business, profession, and employment. So I think you must be clear about this point, and further we will proceed to the what is business, what are the characteristics of business. We will do in the next lecture. Till now I will say the good luck to all my